So, I'm just wondering, what do you feel like when you can't stop the constant firefighting, the reactive chaos? Production can't meet their numbers, so you can't get access to maintain the equipment. Things fail, often in the middle of the night. The phone rings. You never seem to have the right parts, the right resources, or the right amount of time to maintain the assets. Hi, Jeff Shiver here, and I just want to let you know that I felt many of those same frustrations myself. I was always afraid it would be the plant calling with another problem. If it was the plant, then I knew my next call would be to the plant manager to explain the current situation and how we were solving it. I might even have to get up and travel to the site in the wee hours of the morning. Many of the failures we brought on ourselves in how we maintained or operated the equipment. Knowing that there was a better way, I started learning how to transition the maintenance organization from a reactive firefighting approach. I implemented changes that led them towards a proactive, reliability-centered culture. We've taken the collective knowledge and experience of our instructors and consultants and created our 4-part in-person Maintenance and Reliability for Managers course series. It's filled with what works and what doesn't to end the chaos. This course is award-winning as it combines education with coaching and mentoring. Attendees get the opportunity to take what they learned and experienced in the sessions and implement it between the course breaks. On their return to the next session, they share their failures and their successes. We have many different roles attend the course, such as plant managers, corporate reliability leaders, production managers and supervisors, maintenance managers and supervisors, planners, schedulers, just to name a few. Ready to take the next step? Then tell us how to contact you. Someone will be in touch to get you started. See you on the other side.